Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I do my sleek low bun without any gels or edge control, just a styling mousse and some combs, while I also tell you some facts about my hair. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, you're welcome. My name is Naomi. Please don't make it your last. Kindly subscribe down below. There's a red subscribe button under this video. If you click on it, you'll be a part of this family. Also click on the bell so that you can always get notification every single time we have a new video up. And if you do love this video at the end of the day, kindly give us a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Okay, I reply to every single one of them. Okay. Here's the first fact about my hair. Whether my hair is in a protective style or not, I do not comb my hair every day. Like, make it make sense. I style my hair once a week and I ensure to maintain that style for the whole week without me over manipulating and over combing my hair during the week, right? Makes sense. Fact number 2. This sleek low bun hairstyle has got to be my favorite hairstyle of all time. 99.9% of the time you see me, I'm wearing a low bun. Like, I do not like to do too much to my hair. I don't like wahala. Fact number 3. I never ever touch my hair or try to manipulate my hair when it's super dry. So I always opt for my best friends, which is water, moisturizers or leave-in conditioners. These are my best friends all the time, especially when I'm about to do something to my hair. It just makes it super easy to manage and easy to detangle and maneuver so that I don't cause any unnecessary breakage. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now would be the right time to do that. Look at my hair, looking all nice. I'm even feeling myself, such a baby girl. Fact number 4. Every time I wash my hair, I always ensure to deep condition. This has been a routine for me. If I like, I can even go as far as doing a pre-poo. Pre-poo is like putting a treatment to your hair before the actual day you decide to wash the hair. But normally my routine is always wash my hair, deep condition, blow dry, and flat iron my hair if I want to. This has been on repeat over and over and over, and my hair has definitely benefited from this routine throughout this year. Fact number 5. I really love my hair. Despite the setback we had in the month of October, I still love my hair. I love where my hair is at right now. I love how I manage my hair. I love how I've been able to train my hair to where it is now. I love that I know so much about my hair, even though I'm still in the journey of learning and unlearning some things. I'm not an expert when it comes to hair. The only things I know are things I got or experienced from doing my own hair, if I do say so myself, and probably watching other YouTubers, doing their hair on YouTube. And I just want to say this out here. What works for somebody's hair might not necessarily work for you, so don't take my word for it, don't take their word for it. Go and try some of these things. If it works, then great. If it doesn't, then look for something else. I'm always big on listening to your hair. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from the facts about my hair. I really appreciate you for watching and for stopping by today's video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.